Whenever we talk about Sane Guruji, what does it remind us of?
Shamchi Ai, an extraordinary piece of literature written by Sane Guruji.
Yes, Pandurang Sadashiv Sane, also known as Sane Guruji by his students and followers, was a Marathi author, teacher, social activist and freedom fighter from Maharashtra.
Sane Guruji wrote Shamchi Ai in Marathi while he was imprisoned in Nashik jail for 2 years for participating in the freedom struggle, that is non-cooperation movement.
Sane Guruji had an unique way of teaching. He would never teach till end of his lecture. Moreover, he would spend the last 10 minutes of every lecture interacting with students on various social and economical topics. This interactive learning would enrich the student knowledge as Google was not available at that time. He would make education more exciting every possible way.
Pulin, I have read that he along with his students once celebrated the birthday of a bird blooming into a flower, and that too at midnight 12.
Wow, simply great. We also enjoy and learn through so many activities in our school. Learning by doing is the unique feature of our school, Espalier. That's why I love going to school.
I too. So dear parents, let's listen to a famous prayer written by Sane Guruji presenting before you Khara to ekachi dharma.
So what is education?
Education is sensitivity, love and humility.
खूप सुंदर जगाला प्रेम अर्पावे